Welcome back, YouTube family. This is Christian back in another video just for all of you guys. We just got done washing and cleaning the Supra. We're gonna be going ahead and doing a few installs. Really nice, easy and cheap installs in the car. I want to make this a nice clean build. Like I said, very clean, very nice. It's gonna be my daily driver, but I want to make it nice and professional because I will be going to business meetings with it. I will be going to work with it, but I also want to have fun with it. So we're gonna go ahead and do kind of a hybrid build, fast and racing type of vehicle for this car. If you guys like the video, hit the like button, follow the journey, and subscribe button. Like I always keep saying, guys, go after your dreams and make them reality. Let's have a great video, guys. Let's get it. Peace. All right, y'all. So nice and easy. We have the carbon fiber pieces here. Like I said, we have more coming. We even have a shifter knob coming here. We have a bunch of other stuff coming. This is the launch edition. This is number 644 of 1500. But first I'm gonna go ahead, wipe this down a little bit, clean it up in here a little bit. This piece right here, I think just the silver plastic just kind of it really stands out a lot in this type of interior of a car. So we're gonna put a little overlay carbon piece right here. Got a little carbon piece that's gonna go right there to really match down here. We got a little red piece here. We got some other mods. But overall, I do want to show you guys some mods. This is gonna be a stage 1 mods for the Supra. I really want to do a good job of just showing you guys some cost efficient mods that can really go ahead and just change the interior of the car, change just everything you feel about the car. I really want to show you guys some nice cost-effective mods for these cars. You know, I know these cars are like 50-something thousands to get into them, and I want to do a good job of showing you guys, hey, you do not have to break the bank to do simple mods in here that's going to really transform the car. Alright guys, so this is the first piece. Very simple. Not sure if the camera is really doing it justice, but the carbon piece pretty much matches the carbon that's down here, matching the carbon up there. Like I said, just kind of adding to the carbon pieces in the car, getting it so it all matches up together. I'm not even sure if this camera is even like getting it, but it's that glossy wet carbon piece. Really nice. Does a good job of, like I said, just matching all the carbon that is in the car with the weave. I know this light isn't really doing the best right now, but yeah, it looks really good in person. Just something super simple, y'all. Like I said, just to add a little bit of just some cleanliness to it, adding that carbon fiber interior. It's pretty much the same material that's pretty much all around here, so looks good. And let's get to the next piece, which is going to be right here. It's pretty cool, like the black. I got a red piece just to kind of add a different layer of color here. We have like the black plastic here, and then we have a carbon piece coming for this shifter right here. So I just wanted to add a different color. So next piece is going to be this little red piece that goes right here. All right, got the second piece on. The red does a really good job, like I said, of matching the car. Very subtle, very easy, but just wanted to break up the red and the carbon fiber. I think this does an amazing job of just kind of having a differentiating kind of look to the carbon that's gonna be here, the carbon here, and then the black, like the matte black, and then the red. And the red does a great job of just kind of matching all of the red that goes along in the car. I also got the red knobs as well for the car. They just haven't come in yet. Once I get the red knobs, they do match this red, so you guys can see this red, and then this red, and that carbon. So like I said, just kind of cleaning up the interior a little bit. You can kind of see a little bit. I got the light on. I'm gonna turn the light off here. Now you can really kind of see at nighttime how it'll really look, especially when I get the red here, and I got that red right there. So damn, that looks so fire, y'all. That looks really fire, especially at nighttime. See how it looks on the passenger side. Like I said, just kind of adding to the cleanness of the car. Don't have to spend too much to do nice subtle things, but so far these two subtle things have really kind of just cleaned up the car, in my opinion, to kind of really make it that much cleaner. All right, and the last pieces for this video are going to be the rear seats right here. Like I said, this plastic silver doesn't really match anything anywhere inside of this car other than these door handle pieces right here. That is really the only like silver piece. I mean, you got this right here, but there isn't, I mean, you got this right here, but there isn't that many like silver pieces in the car. So we're definitely going to go ahead and clean that up and get to it. So this is going to be the carbon piece that goes to the back. It's like that wet kind of carbon look. Here's the back here. It's like that silver look, like I said. So when you place this is essentially how it's going to look. And man, that looks so much cleaner and matches so much more in the interior. Just having these subtle changes really does a great job of really just making everything flow that much better. This is again how it looks without it. Like I said, it's all right, but man, this to that is definitely a big difference here. So this is what's gonna look like with it. And man, that looks so much cleaner. It just flows with the car that much better, in my opinion. Here again, the silver look. This is gonna be the carbon look. Makes the car flow that much better. And like I said, all these aren't expensive at all. Like I said, y'all, I'm just gonna go with a nice and easy, super professional look for the Supra right now. Want to get everything to kind of match on itself. I'm also gonna head and get that blacked out as well in the front and the rear. But yeah, man, I love this Supra. I'm so excited to just do so many cool things and just build something that is just really fresh. Let's go ahead and finish. And like I said, we still have more interior pieces, lots of more interior pieces coming. But for now, it's gonna be go for this to this. Let's get to it. Woo! Man, I just had to come back and look at it one more time, y'all. I'm not sure if the video is really doing it justice, but it just looks so much better now. Like the car just looks absolutely fantastic. Man. Like I said, once we start getting the stuff for the car, once we start kind of putting this thing together, it's gonna start being really clean. Next video, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and black these out. So the front marker is gonna black out. We're gonna black out the rear markers as well. And then we're also gonna black out the rear on the diffuser. So that's all gonna be black. So this car, like I said, it's gonna be a nice black and white exterior, gloss type. And on the interior, it's gonna be that nice carbon and red on the interior. So we're going carbon and red interior and gloss and white exterior. And that's going to be the build for now until we decide to do the next mod. Anyway, if you guys like the video, hit the like button. Follow the journey, hit the subscribe button. Like I always keep saying, guys, go after your dreams and make them reality. Everyone have a great time. Everyone have a great day. Stay blessed, y'all. Peace.